The private sector, even the billionaire class, is already doing significant heavy lifting for this economy. The question is not whether they contribute. Clearly, they do. The question is, kung dadagdagan pa natin ang buwis sa mga ganito, sigurado ba tayong ang Pilipino ang makikinabang? Here's what's being proposed. Under several bills filed in Congress, individuals with a net worth exceeding 1 billion pesos would be taxed an additional 1 to 2% annually on that accumulated wealth, on top of the income taxes they're already paying.
Basically, ang proposal namin, bawat bilyonaryo, at 3,000 na to sa Pilipinas
Yes.
3,000 lang mga bilyonaryo sa Pilipinas.
Wow.
Sobrang simpleng proposal namin. Buwisan ng 1% ang yaman mahigit 1 bilyon, 2% ang yaman mahigit 2 bilyon, at 3% sa yaman mahigit 3 bilyon. So sobrang liit yan. Kung isusumong mo yan, sa totoo lang, hindi pa naabot ng 6% ng yaman nila.
This could raise 50 to 100 billion pesos every year. Money, they say, could go to healthcare, education, and direct aid to poor Filipinos. On paper, that sounds exactly like what this country needs. Kaya lang, naalala mo ba ang PhilHealth scandal?
Noong 2024, naghain ng petisyon sa Korte Suprema ang ilang grupo at health advocates. Gusto nilang harangin nga itong transfer order ng Department of Finance para sa 89.9 billion pesos na pondo ng PhilHealth. Makakaapekto raw kasi ito sa mga programang pangkalusugan.
Billions of pesos meant for sick Filipinos na wala sa mga peking claims at korupsyon. Every year, the Commission on Audit releases reports showing billions of pesos in government funds that were spent improperly. No receipts, no accountability, or simply gone. So now, kung magdadagdag tayo ng bagong buwis, if we collect 50 billion more pesos and hand it over to the same system, the same institutions, the same leaks, ano ang magbabago para sa inyo? Wala. Parang nagbubuhos ka ng tubig sa timba na butas-butas. The real solution isn't pouring more money into a broken system. It's fixing the system itself. That is what we should demand of our leaders.